So we're in PEI. It's Douce's birthday tomorrow, and so we thought we'd come over and surprise him. He doesn't know we're coming.
Nope.
See if I can film his reaction.
I don't think he's home. He's not home. Surprise!
Oh, gee. Where's the car?
At the churchyard.
Oh, geez. Well, a surprise.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. Thank you. What's that? Oh, what you barking? Never surprised. Holy cow. How long were you sitting there?
Not that long, really.
Just a couple minutes.
I'm old tomorrow.
Were you surprised?
Very surprised. Yes, very surprised. I was distraught last night. I had no birthday card. But hey, that's the best birthday card I had in a long time. Hi, it's Douce again, from Flavors from Around the World. It's between periods of the hockey game, between the Leafs and Florida. And Florida's beating them 3-0, so I'm not happy, but I have my toque on. And for this segment, we have Wild Blueberry Soda, which is made by Chill Street, which is a Nova Scotian company. And this is a limited run. It's a special run, and it was purchased at the Masstown Market by my assistant for a birthday present. By the way, it's my birthday. And now I'm going to have a taste here. Quite good, quite good. If you like blueberry, I think you'll like blueberry soda. And just remember, Chill Street, I think it's available at Sobeys and PEI. But I'm not sure if this is available or not because it's a special order. Limited time offer only.
Can you taste the blueberries in it?
Oh yes, you can taste the blueberries. It's very blueberry. Remember that, blueberry.
What do you rate it?
I rate this as, I'd say an 8. 8.5. And I also like to thank Ian for my little birthday spiel he sent to me. It was very professional.
Well, hey Douce, it's Ian Swinimer here in Waterville, Nova Scotia. I just wanted to take a quick moment and wish you a very happy birthday.
I think he should have a podcast, which I understand he does. Anyway, see you later. That's all for now. See ya! Happy birthday to me. Turn it off now. If you like blueberry, I think you'll like blueberry soda. Very surprised, yes, very surprised. Happy birthday to me.